Okay, students, today I am going to start the remaining portion of Tiger King. Okay, let's start. That means the third part. From the third part, I am going to start. From that day onwards, it was the celebration time. It was the celebration time for all the tigers inhabiting Pratibandapuram. From that day onwards, it was celebration time for all the tigers inhabiting Pratibandapuram. From that day onwards, that means from that day when the Tiger King started out on a tiger hunt, when the Maharaja started out on a tiger hunt. In page number 10, we will get this point. The Maharaja started out on a tiger hunt. That means from that day onwards, it was a celebration time for all the tigers inhabiting Pratibandapuram. Pratibandapuram thakaba he started out tiger hunting. That means the state banned tiger hunting by anyone. The state banned tiger hunting by anyone except the Maharaja. The state banned mane heri kora বন্ধ কৰিছিল সেই সময়ত the state banned tiger hunting by anyone except the Maharaja. That means it is the declaration from the government of the state that no one can kill tiger except Maharaja. Maharaja বাহিৰে কোনেও tiger hunt কৰিব নোৱাৰিব, কোনো tiger মাৰিব নোৱাৰিব. A proclamation was issued to the effect that if anyone dared to fling so much as a stone at a tiger, all his wealth and property would be confiscated. A declaration was issued, to the effect that if anyone dared to throw so much as a stone at a tiger, all his wealth and property would be confiscated. Confiscated means take possession of, বাজেয়াপ্ত কৰা হ'ব. A declaration was issued that if anyone dares to fling মানে throw, দলিওৱা, if anyone dares to throw a stone, even a stone to the tiger, if anyone dares to throw even a stone to the tiger, then all his property would be confiscated. All his property would be confiscated. বাজেয়াপ্ত কৰা হ'ব, সকলো সম্পত্তি তাৰ বাজেয়াপ্ত কৰা হ'ব. The Maharaja vowed he would attend to all other matters only after killing the 100 tigers. The Maharaja vowed he would attend. Vowed mane promise. The Maharaja promised he would attend to all other matters only after killing the 100 tigers. It is the Maharaja took the promise, or Maharaja promised himself that he would attend all other important matters, official matters, as he was the king. So he has to attend sufficient important meetings, important matters. He has sufficient important matters to discuss, or he has to attend the important meetings, but he would attend all these important meetings, or he would discuss all the important facts after completing his mission. His mission was that to kill the 100 tigers. Okay. Initially, the king seemed well set to realize his ambition. Initially, মানে আৰম্ভণিতে right in the beginning, the king seemed well set to realize his ambition. Right in the beginning, the king seemed that he was well set to realize, he was good to realize his ambition. He was good, তেওঁ ভাল আছিল, তেওঁৰ ambition to উপলব্ধি কৰিবলৈ যোৱা, তেওঁ আকাংক্ষাটো উপলব্ধি কৰিবলৈ যোৱা তেওঁ শুদ্ধ আছিল, মানে ভাল আছিল. He was good in realizing his ambition. For right in the beginning, it seems that it is good for him to realize his ambition. The Maharaja, not that he faced no dangers. There were times when the bullet missed its mark. The tiger leaped upon him and he fought the beast with his bare hands. Each time it was the Maharaja who won. Not that he faced no danger. That means double negation, and the result is positive. যে double negation হৈ যায়, তেতিয়া meaning to yes হৈ যায়. Not that he faced no danger. It does not mean that he did not face any danger. এটো বুজোৱা নাই যে তেওঁ একো বিপদৰ মুখামুখি হোৱা নাছিল. there were many times when the bullet missed its mark. That means there were many times his bullet missed a mark. Guli to jabo lagisil efale potake golge hefale tenekua nisna. There were many times when the bullet missed its mark. The tiger leaped upon him. The tiger jumped upon him. Bullet eta guli khor lage lage bag to jopiai uthor lage bullet jeta miss hoy okuman gat guli lage bag to tar gat jap mari uthe. The tiger leaped upon him. Tar gat jopiai pori, and he fought the beast with his bare hands. And he fought the beast. At the time he was a young man, courageous man, brave man. He hama deka asil, hahok to besi asil, hahoki asil, and that is why he fought the beast with his bare hands. And he fought the beast. Aru he hamoyat jontutor logot beast mane jontutor logot tar khali hatere juddha lagisil. বহুত বার তার হেৰি পিস্তল মিছ হৈছে যে মাৰিবলৈ গুলি মিছ হৈছে, মিছ হিজ মাৰ্ক, গুলিটো মাৰিব লাগিছিল এনেকৈ ছাইডেদি গ'ল, হুইজিং পাছ মানে ছাইডেদি গুচি গৈছে আৰু সামান্যতম যদি গুলি লাগিছে গাত জাপ মাৰি উঠিছে বাঘটোৱে হেৰিৰ ওপৰত, টাইগাৰ মহাৰাজাৰ ওপৰত। আৰু মহাৰাজাৰ লগত যেতিয়া ফাইট কৰা হৈছে ফেচ টু ফেচ, দেন মহাৰাজা ফট উইথ হিজ বেয়াৰ হেণ্ডছ, খালী হাতেৰে বাঘটোৰ লগত যুঁজিছে। Each time it was the Maharaja who won. Every time Maharaja won the fight. প্ৰতিবাৰে মহাৰাজা জিকিছিল, খালী হাতেৰে যুদ্ধ লাগিও তেওঁ জিকিছিল। At another time he was in danger of losing his thorn. At another time, অন্য এটা মুহূৰ্তত he was in danger of losing his thorn. Another point is that he faced danger in killing the tigers because many times he missed his mark and the tiger leaped upon him and he has to fight with the beast with his bare hands. But anyhow he was winning, or he won the beast. He won the fight, on the battle, on the fight. But another point is that he was in danger in losing his thorn. Rajsabhahot heruar bhoy asil in losing his thorn. A high-ranking British officer visited Pratibandapuram. He was very fond of hunting tigers. He was very fond of ভাল পাইছিল, fond of children, fond of sweets, fond of prepositional phrase, fond of পাছত সদায় preposition of লাগে, যেনেকৈ proud of. He was very fond of hunting tigers and fonder of being photographed with the tigers he had shot. And fonder of being photographed with the tigers he had shot. And fonder of being photographed with the tigers he had shot. That means the fonder and the British high-ranking British high-ranking officer was fond of hunting tigers and he wanted to take the photograph with the tigers after killing him. Sorry, actually it is my daughter. She is my daughter who is moving here and there and disturbs me in running the video. Okay. After a little while I am again going to start the video.